We have an error 12 on our washing machine, Fisher Paykel Aquasmart WL80T65C. The washing machine spins but does not fully drain.
Hi there, and welcome to the site. Thank you for your inquiry. I will be assisting you with your question today. At any time you may ask further questions if you feel the need, even after rating. The fault code 12 for your Fisher Paykel is as follows: 12. Flood protection error. The motor controller module has found the water level to be above the flood level and tried to pump the excess water out. Under extremely high flow rate conditions, the machine may overfill during the top-up routine and agitate. After pumping for 30 seconds, it has been unable to lower the water level below the flood level. Either the water valves have stuck on and are letting water in at a flow rate that is higher than the pump can handle, or the pump is blocked and can't remove the excess water. Primary source: water valves. Action: if the water valves are on continuously, check that the water valves turn off mechanically. Remove power from machine. Secondary source: pump system. Action: check pump for blockage and drain hose for correct height and kinking. Tertiary source: motor controller module. Display module. Phase 1. Action: if water valves are being driven on electrically, replace motor controller module. From the info supplied, it'd say that your pump system is the problem here. You need to check for kinks and blockages of the drain hose and make sure the drain hose isn't too high, higher than the top of the machine. If everything checks out above, then you may have to dismantle the smart pump and check it for a physical blockage. Here, I think that just about sums it up. Any further questions, just ask. I'm happy to answer them. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.